Ladies and gentlemen, this is the OZEY King from the one and only.
Yes, sir. So look at
hostinze Tony, the one and only magician from East African.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead, brother.
So, look at this. Era muri amakarita yose ushaka muso guhitamo ikarita imwe. Sibyo?
One card. Urafata ikarita ushaka.
No, urambwira hagarara.
Urayigumana. Wait. Nanjye nyereke ishyire kuri kamera. We get it, we get it.
Wari gushaka guhitamo ikarita iyo ari yo yose wifuza, sibyo? Ariko ndashaka kunyereka ikarita wahisemo. Wayinyereka.
Show it to him.
Igatanu umutima miki tujire izindi karita twakora kuno z'inziba za karita zose.
Okay, you get it? Okay, ngaho gira icyo umbwira abantu. Ibi bintu nabibonye ntabwo ibonye. Talk to them, talk to them.
Good one, Machi.
Call him magic boy. Oye, ubu byarangiye. Ahubwo icyo nshaka kukubwira. Okay, rukamiro. Gira icyo umbwira abantu. Reka gutinya. Okay. Thank you. Icyo tuzi ni kimwe. Mani, maji zibaho. Ahubwo ikibazo ntabwo twakira ko maji zibaho. Okay. Zibaho?
Tuzakoresha imigozi ebyiri,
Oya.
right? Sibyo?
Banza umbereze umugozi umwe ndebe kari.
Wow, okay.
This is umugozi umwe. Uri short.
Right?
Give me the longest one.
Umugozi.
This is the longest.
So dufite imigozi ebyiri. So maji ya mbere ngomba gukora hano ni gutuma iyi migozi ebyiri ingana, right?
Wait. Imigozi ibiri, umwe uri mugufi undi ni muremure.
Undi ni muremure. So ngomba yuko iyi migozi ibiri uko ari ebyiri ingana, right?
Iresha.
So the first step ngomba gukora
Okay. Wait. Okay, it's okay. Continue.
So the first step nuko ngomba gufata imigozi ibiri. Hayishira hagati, sibyo?
Ego.
Afata akagozi kanini nkakazana ku murongo umwe hano, right?
Alright.
Just like this. Ikintu kigomba gukorwa ni ugukwega gusa. Maji yamaze kurangira man kuko
Wait.
turaba ya migozi ibiri.
Wow. Okay, ready. Nshaka kukubaza. Ibi nakoze byombi wabibonye?
I say nyegeza.
Come on. Okay, kanibariza umumotari, ngambwiza ukuri. Ibi nakoze wabibonye byombi? Tony, it's okay. Tony, ubundi. Okay.
Turatubona utubure ebyiri, right? Ikiganza cyawe ukuntu, sibyo? Ikiganza cyawe ukuntu.
Ikiganza ushaka.
Utubure ebyiri. Kamwe ni gwanje, ndaza kugafata ndashire muri iki kiganza.
Ndabona bya.
Kandi ni gwawe.
Leave it.
Ikiganza cyawe. Ikiganza cyawe. Turaza gufata kakamwe tugashira iwawe, sibyo? Ndaza gukora kuno hano. Kakaburi wanje ndagatereye.
Okay, ugurura.
Sure.
Thank you, Mr. Tony. Gira ikintu babwira.
Very soon, hari icyo twitwa
You gonna
Magic
be
Street. Yes,
on
Magic Street. Tuzaba turi kumwe n'umucuti wacu King.
OZEY King.
Turi gukora OZEY King a magic interview. So get ready, my people. We'll be there.
Thank you, brother. It's gonna be right. What's up, brother?
Let's meet very soon on his interview for a magic night, right?
Thank you, Tapesi.